Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning unit 4. Its title is Our Flag. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today we are going to learn about WH questions. In grade 2, I have already taught you about question words. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And now we are going to learn further to respond to and ask simple WH questions. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Hajj, verse 23, indeed, Allah will admit those who believe and do righteous deeds to gardens beneath which rivers flow. They will be adorned therein with bracelets of gold and pearl, and their garments therein will be silk. Subhanallah. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us, that one whom Allah will be happy with, they will be admitted to Jannah. And who will be admitted to Jannah? Who has done righteous deeds, who has followed the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And how is Jannah? There are gardens beneath which rivers flow. And what they will be adorned with? With bracelets of gold and pearl. And what will be they wearing? Garments of silk. You see? So beta, to reach to Jannah is the greatest achievement. For that we have to work hard every day. And what is the key? To do righteous deeds. Okay? To follow Allah's commands. So my dear children, you see how we make a question and we get an answer. Who will admit to Jannah? Who does righteous deeds? And things like this. This is how we make questions and we get answers. Do you understand? Okay, let's learn further. First, you tell me what is a question and which words make a sentence or statement a question. Answer these two questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you answered correctly that questions refers to a statement or a sentence which asks about something. When you are asking, inquiring about something, the statement which you are narrating or writing is a question statement, okay? So, these are the words we use to make questions. What these words are? What, who, where, why, when. And these all words are known as WH question words, right? So which word is selected to make a question? How do we select a word? This is what we are going to learn. We use what? It's a WH question word when we are inquiring about something. When you want to know or ask about something, then you use what? Means, what is this? What is your name? So this what is referring to something, and this is how we select a question word, right? Now, if I want to ask, instead of something, I want to ask about someone. So instead of what, I will use who. Who is your brother? Who did this? So I want to inquire about a person, about someone. So I have to use who, right? So the next word is where. When we want to inquire about a place, we use where. Where are you going? Means, tell me the place where are you going. And where is my book? Tell me the place where my book is placed. Right? So this where, we use this question word when we are asking or inquiring about a place. Right? Okay, the next question word is why. We use this question word when we want to know about a reason. Why is the baby shouting? Means, what is the reason for the boy to shout? Why is boy shouting? Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? Is there a reason? Yes, the reason is it's a beautiful sunnah of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Right? So, beta, whenever we want to inquire about a reason, we use this word why. Why you are late? Why you are doing this, etc. Right? And next is when. We use this question word when we are inquiring about time. When will you reach Lahore? So what will be the time? What's your plan? What will be the time when you will reach Lahore? And when are you going to park? So tell me the time when you are going to park. Are you getting it? Are you clear with all the question words? Good job. So let's practice it further through an activity. And what this beautiful activity is? There are two parts of this activity. First activity, teacher will pair the class and students will interview each other. Each student will ask at least 5 questions from the other student in pair. Okay, teacher will make pairs. They will come in front of class and each will ask from each other 5 questions at least, right? And the second part of the activity is teacher will state the answer to a question on board and will ask to student to write the correct question for the answer. For example, teacher has written, it's 7 a.m. Okay, so it's the answer. Student will write, what time is it? Teacher will write, my name is Jackie, for example. Students will, what's your name? This is how teacher will keep writing answer and each student will come to write a proper, appropriate question for that answer. So enjoy these two beautiful activities. Pause the video. After activity, kindly come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now sit down, settle down because we are going to practice from your book. Read the following questions and answer them orally. Okay, so there are questions. You will read them and you will tell the answers to your teacher. Pause the video, complete this oral activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will interview one of your family member and write that interview in your notebook. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what we are going to do, here is a question word bank given to you. You have to select the correct word to complete these sentences. So in this way, what we have learned today, we learned to respond and ask WH questions, and we achieved our SLO to respond to and ask simple WH questions. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.